Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Roblox account from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First of all, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you've done that, click on this application, download and install it onto your device, and click on Open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this Create Account button. As you can see, it's going to ask you for your birthday. Simply go ahead and enter that. Enter a username, go ahead and choose your gender and click on next. It's going to ask you for your email. So let me just go ahead and show it to you real quick. So for example, let's just say that's the birth date. You just put in your username. You can choose your gender, click on continue. It's going to ask you for your email. Simply enter your email and they're going to send you a verification code to that email. And once you go ahead and get that verification code, enter it back into the application and your account will be created. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.